Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. So this time we'll discuss price discrimination in case of multi-plant and single market. So a business firm or a producer will produce in two plants, suppose, and he will sell his produce in one single market. Then what will happen? Now his profit will be the difference between his total revenue and his total production cost for both the plants. So let us see the difference, observe the difference. So profit is equal to RQ1 plus Q2. This is the total return, and minus the cost of producing Q1 in plant 1 and minus cost of producing Q2 in plant 2, because he produces in two plants and sell in one market. Okay, so QI, quantities produced in the plants, and RQ1 plus Q2 is the revenue function. Okay, then C1 Q1 and C2 Q2 are cost functions. Now what is profit maximization? So first order condition, that delta pi by delta Q1 is equal to R prime Q1 plus Q2 minus C1 prime Q1 is equal to 0. Since the function is not defined, specified, so we will write delta pi by delta Q1 is equal to marginal revenue. It is the marginal revenue of producing Q1 and Q2 in two different markets minus marginal cost. Then with respect to Q1, then delta pi by delta Q2 is again marginal revenue minus marginal cost with respect to Q2. Let's put to 0, first order condition. Or R prime Q1 plus Q2 is equal to C1 prime Q1. Then R prime Q1 plus Q2 is equal to C2 prime Q2. Okay, so this means R prime Q1 plus Q2 is equal to C1 prime Q1 is equal to C2 prime Q2. So meaning is that profit will be maximum when marginal revenue, this is the marginal revenue of the output as a whole, equals marginal cost in each plant. So marginal revenue as a whole must be equal to the marginal cost in each plant. So this is the marginal cost in each plant and this is the marginal revenue. Now second order condition, that a relevant Hessian determinant alternates in sign. So this is the Hessian determinant, and first principal minor, R prime prime, that means a rate of change of MR. This is rate of change of MR minus rate of change of C1. Rate of change of, that means rate of change of marginal cost. Rate of change of marginal revenue minus rate of change of marginal cost should be negative. If we take it as negative first, then second one should be positive. That means R prime prime C1 prime prime into R prime prime C2 prime prime minus R prime prime square it should be positive. So this requires that MC in each plant must be increasing more rapidly than the MR of the output as a whole. So if this is negative, this must also be negative. So to be negative, say MC in its plant must be increasing more rapidly than the MR of the output as a whole. MC1 and MC2 must increase more rapidly than MR of the outputs. Only then this will be satisfied. So this is all about price discrimination.